You don't need a website to sell digital products anymore. The smartest creators are skipping the complicated setup and launching full online stores in minutes using a free tool called Koji. In this video, you'll learn how to create a digital product from start to finish. Set up your Koji Storefront, upload your product, and start making sales. No tech skills, no monthly payments, and no wasted time. Koji is a free platform that gives you a simple link-in-bio storefront. You can use it to sell digital files, take tips, share links, and offer products straight from your profile. It works with all major social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. When someone taps your Koji link, they see your store right inside their app. You don't need to build a website or send them anywhere else. Everything happens in one place. To start, think about what kind of digital product you want to sell. This can be a journal, a meal plan, a guide, a template, or even an ebook. The easiest way to create your first one is by using free tools like Canva and ChatGPT. Let's use an example to make it clear. Say you want to create a productivity planner. First, open ChatGPT and ask for help creating a daily productivity planner. You can say something simple like, "Give me a structure for a one-page productivity planner." ChatGPT will give you sections like a top 3 priority list, a time block area, a habit tracker, and maybe a quote of the day. You can ask it to add more ideas or keep it minimal, depending on what you want to include. Once you have the layout, go to Canva and create a free account if you don't already have one. In the search bar, type planner and pick a layout that fits your idea. Use the free drag and drop editor to customize it. You can change the colors, the fonts, and the layout until it matches the idea you got from ChatGPT. You can even add your own logo or brand name if you have one. Make sure the final product is easy to read. Don't overload it with too many sections. Save the file as a PDF when you're done. This format works well for downloads and opens on any device. Now your product is ready, and it's time to set up your Koji storefront. Head over to the Koji website and click to create an account. You can use your email or sign in with Google. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you build your page. Koji works like a digital toolbox. You add different apps to your profile depending on what you want to do. Click Add App and type Ebook or Digital File Store. These apps are designed for selling digital products. The Ebook app is especially useful because it lets people preview your product before they buy it. You can upload a sample page, show a description, and offer the full file after purchase. Click on the app you want, then hit Add. Now it's time to fill out your product details. First, upload the PDF file you just created in Canva. Then write a clear title. For example, Daily Focus Planner PDF. Avoid vague titles. Make it obvious what the product is. In the description box, explain who it's for and how it helps. You could say something like, "This one-page daily planner helps busy people organize their day, manage tasks, and stay focused." Set your price. You can choose free, pay what you want, or set a fixed amount. If you're just starting, you might want to choose pay what you want. This allows people to try your product and support you with whatever amount they feel is fair. It lowers the risk for them and helps you build trust. Now upload an image. This should be a preview or mock-up of your product. You can use Canva again for this. Create a square layout. Take a screenshot of your planner and place it inside a phone or tablet frame. You can use a white background with your brand colors or keep it very simple. Just make sure the image is clear and readable, even on small screens. Once you've filled in all the fields, hit Publish. Your product is now live. Koji gives you a link that goes straight to your storefront. You can add this link to your Instagram bio, your TikTok profile, or anywhere else you connect with your audience. When someone clicks the link, they land on your store and can preview, buy, and download the product all in one place. Koji handles everything. It collects payment, sends the file to the buyer, and gives you a report in your dashboard. You don't need to manage any of this manually. You can see how many views and sales you've had, what apps people click, and where your traffic is coming from. That helps you improve your product and promotion. Now let's talk about promotion. Your store is only useful if people see it. Start by making a short video showing your product in use. For example, record a short clip scrolling through your planner on a phone or tablet. Show how someone could fill it out in the morning or during lunch. You can also make a screen recording in Canva before you export it, showing how it looks on different devices. Post the video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. In the caption, write something simple and direct like, "Want this planner? Link in bio." That's it. Let your audience discover it without pushing too hard. If you want to build a deeper relationship with your audience, you can offer a free lead magnet. This is a smaller product that you give away in exchange for an email. Use a tool like Typeform to collect email addresses, then send them the download link and invite them to check out your full Koji store. Let's say you made a simple one-page planner and gave it away for free. In a week, you launch a 5-day productivity challenge as a new digital product. You can email everyone who downloaded the free planner and tell them about the new one. Because they already liked your work, they're more likely to buy again. Koji also supports more than one product. You can add new apps to your page and offer different tools. For example, you could sell a meal planner, a budget tracker, or a full digital workbook. You can also add a tip jar or donation app, so people who like your work network can support you with a few dollars. If you want to offer a bundle, you can group related products into one package. Maybe you made 3 digital planners, each with a different theme. You can list them together at a slightly higher price and offer more value to your customers. Bundles help raise the total sale amount without needing extra promotion. One of the best features of Koji is that your storefront looks good on mobile. Most buyers today are using phones, not computers. Koji's design is clean, fast, and easy to tap through. The checkout process is smooth, and the buyer gets the download link right away. You don't have to worry about emails not arriving or links breaking. Another important thing is that Koji only takes a small cut when you make a sale. There are no monthly fees. You can start today without spending anything. When someone buys your product, Koji keeps a percentage depending on which app you used. The rest goes to your connected Stripe account. You don't need to set up a full business backend before you start selling. Koji makes it possible to start small and grow as you go. If you're comparing Koji to platforms like Gumroad or PayHip, here's what makes it different. Gumroad is great for traditional desktop users, and it has more advanced pricing features, but it feels more like a store than a social profile. PayHip has strong customization and built-in affiliate tools, but it's more focused on running a full online shop. Koji is built for creators who want to sell inside their social links. It's mobile-first, visual, and very fast to launch. Now, let's say you want to create a completely different kind of product. Maybe you're a fitness coach and want to sell a beginner workout guide. Start the same way. Use ChatGPT to list 10 simple exercises for people who work out at home. Turn those into a 5-day routine. Use Canva to make a clean layout with daily instructions. Maybe add 1 image per page. Save it as a PDF, then upload it into a new Koji app. Give it a strong title like 5-Day Home Workout Guide. Write the benefits in the description, set a price, and publish it. You now have 2 products on your profile. You can arrange them in any order and keep adding new ones. The more useful products you offer, the more likely visitors are to buy something. You don't need to be a fitness coach or designer to make this work. You just need a helpful idea and the willingness to follow through. The real power of this method is how simple it is. You don't have to waste time figuring out websites, plugins, hosting, or payment buttons. You don't need to code. You don't need to manage digital delivery. Koji handles all of it. You only need to focus on making useful digital products that help people save time, stay organized, learn faster, or feel better. Every time you launch something new, you improve. You get better at writing titles, at designing layouts, and at promoting. You also learn what your audience wants. That gives you the direction for your next product. After a few launches, you can build bundles, grow your email list, and even start offering services or coaching if you choose. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start with one helpful product. Use ChatGPT to write the content. Use Canva to design it. Use Koji to sell it. Use your social media to promote it. That is the entire system. No gatekeepers, no complicated tools, and no huge learning curve. Once you have a few sales coming in, you can start planning ahead. Maybe you create a small product every 2 weeks. Maybe you launch a new bundle every month. Koji lets you update your store anytime. You can change prices, upload new files, update your images, or add apps without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is a system built for solo creators. If you're doing everything yourself, Koji helps you skip the time-wasting parts. You don't need to guess. Just follow the steps, make a good product, and share it where people already follow you. So if you've been stuck waiting to start your online business because you thought you needed a website, now you know you don't. All you need is a clear idea, a simple product, and a Koji link. What is the first digital product that you're thinking of selling with Koji? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.